I've never really found goodbyes that difficult before, but I think today is going to be the first time that I'm leaving somewhere that I think I'm really going to miss. It's such a special place. And I feel such a deep connection to it that it begs the question, you know, why are we doing this? Your mum can't pack very well. Is it strong enough? So in 5 hours from now, we're hopping on a flight. And heading to Sri Lanka, where we start a year of travelling around Asia.
Done a checklist on travel docs.
Yeah, we've got everything.
Because I don't feel like driving to the airport.
So this is my final goodbye walk with Pegster here, who I'm going to miss dearly. She's been a really good friend to me. And it's my chance to say cheerio to Fishhook from up on high. Our home has literally been down there, and everything associated with home, community, etc., etc., I can see from where we are now. Just in here, that's Ollie's school.
Daddy, I just want to tell you something.
That is Emmy's school over there. Oats?
Oats, we don't have any toast.
Okay, can I have some honey and oats?
There is our house, or was our house.
Ready to rock. Gonna rock this day, baby girl. Hi, Manny. Yes.
Okay, right, go on, off you go. Yeah, you too, see you later.
Yeah.
Get in the car.
I can jump in with Margot.
See you later, Ollie. The last 3 months in particular has been very busy making preparations to leave. There's been the selling of the car.
That's it. Okay, there's nothing else that you need. Alright, pleasure. Thanks, you too. Bye, bye.
Yeah. We had to find Vanilla a new home.
We'd had Vanilla, our Siamese cat, for almost 6 years, and our lovely neighbour Maria very kindly offered to take him for us.
And then there's obviously been packing up the house and the kids' stuff and putting it all into storage.
Yes.
I'm a nervous excited. I think we passed the point of no return several weeks back, and that was a pivotal moment for me because it became harder to stay than to continue and go. Yes, mate. Most of my thoughts are towards the kids, because it's particularly Ollie, because it's a huge upheaval for them.
Oh, listen to the echo.
Echo! Echo!
Okay.
Goodbye. Thank you very much for lots of happy memories.
Internet's going off. That's when you know it's real.
Keeping us safe. My house,
That's one of my biggest fears, I think, from this project, is it not benefiting the kids in the ways that we hope. Hey, group hug. Hey, group hug. Bye, house. you guys doing in the back?
Okay.
You ready? Bye. Bye.